You have a new maneuver? No, no way.
I think I'm loading. So they step out in the open here. Woo! Got a good shot.
That was sneaky.
That's all right. That's all right. I love that sound.
You get somebody, Goose?
Yep.
Good boy.
I got Aubrey's friend.
Good boy. Oh, there you go. Good shot. Good shot.
I almost got shot in the face. Like that.
Good shot. Good shot.
Shoot Paul! That's the object of the game.
Oh, you all right? Oh, nice. Oh, there he is. Oh, man.
Hey, look at that up there! Where you guys beside one?
Look this way, boy.
Huge cat.
Look this way.
Aubrey, look.
Oh no.
Oh, Aubrey, it went right over his shoulder. Got her. One down. Got two lights now.
That's really nice.
All three. Right here.
Jack,
Oh, yeah, he's got 3 too.
watch out for Mr. Johnson.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh, snap! Yes!
I heard that.
No, he hit the bunker.
You have one life left, please?
Yeah, I was the one going out and trying to shoot him.
Oh! Hey! Oh, I got Megan!
This is how you end a life very quickly.
Hey!
You can give her one of your lives. I might take it as soon as she steps in the arena. Do you want to give her a life?
One life.
Okay, come on in. Probably should have come in the safe zone.
Megan, get it, get it!
Sorry, Dad. Son, you let me down.
Got her! Dang it!
Oh, that's a hit.
Oh! Headshot! Oh, you okay, Hunter? Yeah. Whoa!
Oh, that was a bow, not a hit, not a hit.
I'm a big target. Yeah. Why are you picking on a fat guy? Got it.
Can we do that again? I don't think I got it. You're done having kids anyway, right, Grant?
Oh yeah. Oh my.
Shoot it! You got like 3 seconds. Oh!
Couldn't even get it.
That's all right. That's all right.
Yeah!
I think I made a mistake by shooting Grant before the buzzer.
I would never take offense at being ambushed,
Yeah! Pull out!
but I would see if I can pull 50 pounds out of the dog.
That was a horrible shot.
Who knows?
Watch out for Mr. Johnson.
I felt that one. Wow.
Watch out. I told you to watch out. Go ahead.
Oh yeah! When you hear crying, it's because I hit somebody. I don't know, is that a hit?
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
dead.
Oh, it was on it. No.
Yes! I got me!
Yes, I got me, and I nearly caught it.
Oh, shoot. You alright?
Oh.
Oh.
I feel no pain when I'm in the